All right, within this video here, I want to show us how we would start working on creating an assignment. So an assignment is obviously different from a content page. As I explained, content pages, there's no submission back to a teacher. It truly is just content for students to be able to get information from. Whereas an assignment is going to be something that kids will get information from, but they can also submit work back to their teacher. So let's talk about how to do that. We'll go ahead and click on assignments on the far left-hand side over here. And you can again see I have no assignments currently sitting here. I can create assignment groups if I wanted to within this section right here. I can also bring my assignment category types from PowerTeacher Pro into here as well. I do want you to check out the video on syncing of Canvas grades, because that will walk you through how to get your PowerTeacher Pro assignment categories and bring them into the assignments tab, and that way then all of your assignments can get organized in the correct place for you to sync them back to PowerSchool, so that your grades that you record for your students in Canvas can get transferred to PowerTeacher Pro. For now, we're going to go ahead and just click the plus sign to start an assignment. I can give the assignment title a name. I can go down here, give it some text. Again, if I wanted to within my assignment, I could also put videos in here. So if I had a mini lesson video, I could build it right into my assignment. So my kids would have some text, some prompt, they'd have a video, they'd have another prompt at the bottom explaining what the actual task or directions are for the assignment for the kids. So I can put in pictures, I can put in video, I can put in type text within here, I can put in links, I can put in documents, all kinds of stuff there. And then at the bottom, you're going to now see the ability to give it a point total. So let's say, for example, it is a 4-point assignment. You can choose to display the grade as points. You could do a complete or incomplete. You could do not graded at all. But if you're going to want to sync it to PowerTeacher Pro, you're going to want to collect it as points. For the submission type, you're generally going to choose online. And then here's where you have the ability to really customize what type of submissions come back from kids. So if you just want them to type text into your answer, you can choose I want a text entry submission type. If you want them to record media, so if you want them recording something right within the browser on their MacBook or within the Canvas app on their iPads, they can do that. Or here would be a file upload. So let's say they have a document that you want them to essentially submit for the assignment submission. You can choose file uploads. And this is even better right here. You can choose to restrict the types of file uploads. So if you only want a PDF file coming into you, you can type in PDF. If you want a pages document, you can put in pages. So you can restrict the type of extension on the file as well to really only allow specific types of assignments to get turned into you. So choose those kind of depending on what your assignment is. It's defaulted at unlimited attempts, so that way a student can turn something in, you can give feedback, and then they can resubmit that. If you want to turn that off, you can do limited, and then you can say the number of submissions they're allowed to have. This right here, if you want to make sure that you're going to sync it to PowerTeacher Pro down the road, you want to have this little box checked right here. And then the assign, it defaults to everyone, but here you have the ability within your PowerSchool course to choose the entire course. You could choose the specific sections within the course, or you could even choose specific students within your course to assign to. You can simply just click in the box there and start typing student names, or again, assign it to the entire section of your course. Pick a due date. So you want to go ahead and give it a due date. Maybe it's this date. All due dates are defaulted at the end of the day at 11:59. And you can also make it available. So if you don't want the assignment to be visible until a specific date, you can choose available from date and available to dates. So that doesn't have to be done, but you can certainly do that if you'd like to. And then again, just make sure you click Save and Publish. And then that assignment gets created for students to see on their to-do list within Canvas. And it'll be something that they would be able to work through out of their modules. And there you go, your assignment is now created. And students will be able to work on that and turn that in for submission to you. But that is very simply how you can click on the Assignments tab and start creating assignments for your course.